If you are wondering if we have a macro mode on POCO F8 Pro, then the answer is yes, we do have a dedicated option that allows you to take macro photos. In the photo mode, if we go over here to these additional options, you will find super macro. However, it is recommended to take a photo 50 centimeters away, at least 50 centimeters away from the object, which can be quite inconvenient if you want to actually take a photo up close. As you can see in this case, I would have to, to hold my phone really far away from the photo. So what you can do instead is, of course, you can use this little trick where we can keep the camera a little bit further away from the subject, and then we can use zoom. And the zoom might be just good enough to capture a pretty good photo. So let's see, I'm not sure why it switches to 0.9x, but there we go. You can see that we can actually take pretty decent photos like this as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.